After months and months of renovations, the work on the Kuppersmith project is finally complete. But it won't be the family-friendly retreat we've envisioned until it's decorated. So the interior design team from Better Homes and Gardens and Renovation Style magazines has arrived to turn this newly renovated house into a home. But to do that, there is a mountain of accessories and furniture to go through.
This, I believe, is all Meredith stuff.
Okay.
This stuff is from the Universal Better Homes and Gardens showroom, and I'm not sure where that's from.
So the team carefully makes their way through tons of lamps and flowers.
You're just saying things you know the words to, right? Hydrangea,
Hydrangea.
azalea.
Azalea. Well, I'd have to say it with a very thick setting.
Those are azalea.
Azalea. Or lavender lisianthus would be pretty.
I think you're just making up words.
I am.
And drapes.
That all depends on that hood.
95.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so
95.
So that's much better.
That's much better.
Much better.
I feel like I'm on, you know, Housewives of Mobile or something.
That's pretty.
And rugs.
I don't think it should be captured on film. Yeah. Oh, wow. How good is that?
And hundreds of other details as the Kuppersmith project begins to take shape.
This quite possibly is in the master bedroom. Then that goes in the family room, I think over the couch. You can open the ottoman, that goes in there.
I guess I can hang those drapes too.
You wouldn't expect this much action to happen without a couple of glitches.
Okay.
But I did find out we're not getting, unless we can send somebody out there ourselves, but the furniture truck is tied up until Friday morning. So we were supposed to get furniture this afternoon at 2.
Another thing, Friday?
Friday.
But at the end of the day, if Joe is happy, I know I will be too.
I feel more comfortable.
You feel better?
Yes, I do.
That's what it's all about, man.
Yeah, it's true.
All
It's
about Joe
me.
feeling good.
Now that Joe is feeling good, we can start moving in some of the furniture he and the BHD crew have picked out. Everyone is working hard to get everything moved in as quickly and as carefully as possible. And since this is the part of the job that's a little hard for me, it's great to see Joe taking charge.
Let's go this way just a little bit, like 2 inches. There you go. It goes in between the green chairs. One goes at that desk, and then 2 of them come in the dining room. Okay.
As the decorators finish up, the photographers finally move in to capture the images you'll see in Better Homes and Gardens and Renovation Style magazine.